Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how do you add an end screen to YouTube videos. The process is quite simple and easy. The first step is to upload your video on YouTube, like I already did, then write title descriptions and add thumbnails, tags, and everything else. Once you set up all these things, tap on this option next, and you will see the option in the video element to add an end screen. And here is the option to import from videos. You can also add an end screen from this video, which you are trying to upload on YouTube. But I will upload the end screen of my other videos. So at the end of the video, people can watch that too by tapping on the ad screen elements. And how can you do this? Tap on this option Add. It's the end screen pop-up. First, you must manage time. By what time you want to add this end screen. You can manage the time by swiping this line by yourself. For example, I will set this end screen to 50 seconds. Because the video duration is 1.03 seconds, I want this end screen to show up in 50 seconds. So first, manage time. These are the end screens, one video and one subscriber. So these are the different interfaces of the end screen. Select what you want to add from here, like one screen or one subscribe. Two videos, one video with a playlist and a subscribe. For example, I want to show this, one video, one subscribe. So now select. Now this has been added to my video from here. You can also arrange the time duration of your end screen. Tap on this and select the duration. I am setting this to 50 seconds. Now also arrange the time duration of this. The time duration of both means subscribe and video has been set up. Now, the next thing is to select the video that you want to add to your end screen. So here are the options. Scroll down. You can also choose a specific video, and you can also allow YouTube to select the video. But I will select the video by myself. Tap on this option and choose the specific video from here. Select the video that you want to add to your end screen. For example, I will add this and show you what it will look like at the end of the video. So after playing the video for 50 seconds, the end screen shows up and it looks like this. Now tap on this option, Save, and publish your post on YouTube. It was a basic way by which you could add and screen on YouTube videos. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.